Kinds of digital footprint. There are two kinds of digital footprint. First one, active digital footprint. Second one, passive digital footprint. Through the name, you can understand that active means intentionally you leaving the data online, right? Passive means unintentionally, you don't know. Okay, you don't know, but they are keeping your data, right? So that is leaving the data unintentionally. Now, leaving the data online unintentionally. How? Whenever users send or reply the emails, if someone sent the emails, that times you reply that particular email, so that times you are leaving the data intentionally, right? Next, post feedback form. Sometimes you purchase some product, or sometimes you buy some course, and when you complete it full course, so that times that website or apps, they want the feedback form from you. Okay, so that times also you are giving. And then someone has post some video or images, that times in that particular video or images you write the comment. So post feedback form or comment on different website or apps, that times also you are leaving the data intentionally. Social media post, in your personal account you are posting some data. Create an account whenever in the social media, if you before that you did not use, so first time definitely you will create it, then afterwards you will get it that account, particular account. Okay, so create an account or form filling, just like your examination form, college form, that times also you are leaving the data intentionally. Subscribe the website. Sometime continuously if you visit any website, particular website, so that times they want that you subscribe the website. That means just like in the YouTube, you are subscribing. So when you subscribe, that times what happened? Whatever videos they will upload the particular channel, you will get the notification. Same things in the website also. If you will subscribe to any website, then afterwards whenever they will upload in that particular website, you will get the notification, right? Login into website. Once you created your account, then afterwards whenever you want to visit that particular website, you have to log in it, just like your email. Then blog articles, someone is writing in the blog article, so that times also you are leaving your data intentionally. Purchase the product online, when you are purchasing the any product online. So these are the examples of active digital footprint, right? Intentionally you leave the data. Just opposite, passive one. Passive digital footprint. Now, in the passive digital footprint, I already told that whenever you are leaving the data online unintentionally. What is that? Unintentionally means you don't know, but they generate your data and storing in the server side. Just like data generated whenever user visits a website. Whenever you visit a website, they generated your data and storing in the server side through your IP address also. Cookies, cookies in your desktop size, in your computer only, but in the cookies form they store the data frequently. Whatever website you visited, that one keeping in the cookies form in the user side. Suppose today you visited one website and once times only, then tomorrow again you will visit. So that times cookies will help that easily to, through the cookies easily to we can open whenever your network is slow, then also. Okay, so that is through the cookies. Browser history monthly basis, 3 months basis, like this also. Browser, whatever you search, everything it will be there. With time, search history. Okay, you just search many things, just like pronunciation also, yeah, any word, any mail, whatever you are search, that is also search history. That means as a user, which type of data that person is searching, right? Device information, financial transaction data through the UPI, how many transactions you have done in the particular date, with the particular time. Okay, one day suppose 10 transactions you have done, so all the transactions with the time it will be displayed, so that one is also they are keeping. App users data, in the one app how much time you are giving. Location data, just like now through the Google map you are going somewhere, right? You are going, you thought that easy to travel for you through this location, right? But unintentionally you are leaving your data. That means on the server side it's stored that in that particular time where you went. Okay, where you went. So like this data we are unintentionally we are leaving in the server side, in the internet. So that is called passive digital footprints. Look at here this footprint. Okay, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Facebook, all the social media site has given